Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect an email to your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have multiple email addresses, and sometimes you want to send from your Gmail, not your company email. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Salesflare, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a email to your Salesflare, here on the left side, you're going to click on this button here at the bottom. It looks kind of like a thermometer. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this other menu pop up, and you want to click on this button here, email settings. Once you do that, you're going to see all the email addresses you've connected to Salesflare. However, to add a G, click on this blue plus icon here at the bottom. All right, once you do that, you'll see this pop up and click on the Google logo. Okay, next Google's going to open up the browser, and they're going to ask which email you want to connect to your Salesflare. So I'm going to choose this. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I have my Gmail connected to my Sales. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Gmail to your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.